Hey guys, Drew coming to you live from Bell Camper Sales. We got a treat today. This is a brand new, just got in today, 2021 Rockwood Ultralight fifth wheel 2442BS. If you guys are looking for a trailer that's under 25 foot and under $50,000 and still premium living, this is your trailer. As always, up in the corner, this is a 360 video, so if you want to scroll around, you don't have to follow me around, zoom in, go up and go down, you're more than welcome to 360 video. This is a small trailer, like I said, so we're going to do two shots here. I'm in the kitchen slash living room slash entertainment center area. So without further ado, I'm going to get started here. Right behind me is the kitchen area. We got some storage on the side here. You can see they went with the light brown interior. Most people are liking these days. Magic Chef fridge with a lock on it. 12 volt. Back in here you have your twin sinks. Sink cover with your sprayer on the sink. Went with the black tint on the cabinet windows here. Good storage here. To the left you have your Magic Chef microwave. Right underneath you have your 3 stovetop burner with your oven. Does have a light and a fan underneath that works. Over here is some more kitchen counter space with some drawers. And right here it gets right into a bar with some slide out chairs here, which I thought was really cool. More setting in here. TV comes mounted in here, Furrion TV 42-inch with a DVD player underneath it and the speaker surround sound that comes on the inside or out. Right across from it here is the Millerberg theater seating. It does have lumbar support and recline. It is the new style with the cup holders and your GFI outlets and your USB ports for charging accessories. As you can see, we did upgrade to the day-night shade, so in the summertime, keeping that sun up keeps it cooler. Behind me here is another little counter space shelves. Shelves go back pretty deep there, guys. Got a couple down here, one right here. And another spot here good for with your USB ports and your GFI outlet. Over here towards the entrance and going up into the bathroom bedroom area, and we'll change cameras there. Alright guys, here we are in the bathroom here. As you can see, a little bit of storage above the porcelain toilet here. You got the power vent up here. Have some storage shelving in here. These do go all the way back. Good place to put some towels. Behind us there you got the Aqua View Shower Miser installed special edition shower here with a tri-slide door. Behind us then there we have our sink lavatory area with the round style ranch sink, some storage underneath, a mirror up here, nice little fixture there with some other storage in here. On to the bedroom. Alright guys, last but not least, we are in the bedroom area of the 2442BS 2021 Rockwood Ultralight. As you can see, bed in the slide. A lot of walk around room here. I'm a pretty big feller. Plenty of room to walk around. Bottom top counter here where you can put a TV. There is a backer location here where you can mount with your plugs. Coax is right there. Got some 4 drawers here. Underneath, just like the traditional Rockwoods, there is storage underneath the bed. Over here, have some more storage with some drawers. And then we did upgrade to the mirror sliding doors here. Clothes rack right there. Obviously both doors will slide. On each side of the bed, there is a little spot to set cell phones with plugs too for to charge it at nighttime. And over here, there is still good walk room over here too as far as that goes. Guys, this is the brand new 2021 Rockwood Ultralight fifth wheel 2442BS. If you want to come look at this thing in person, it's even nicer. Come down and see me. Ask for Drew. Be more than happy to show it to you. Again, guys, premium trailer, lightweight, under 50,000. Won't last long. So come down and ask for me. If I'm not here, ask for one. We here at Bell Camper Sales, we just want to help you all get you into the trailer you want. And our main goal is here so we can get you camping.